Planning a trip to Japan? Here are 5 essential tips to make your journey smooth and budget friendly. First up, skip the airport taxi. It's pricey. Instead, use Japan's fantastic public transportation, which is easy to navigate and budget friendly. From the airport, hop on the train or bus to save your yen for the fun stuff. Tokyo is amazing, but don't stop there. Japan has so much more to offer. Include destinations like Kyoto, Osaka, Nara, and Hiroshima in your itinerary to truly experience Japan's culture, food, and history. Forget the physical transit card, simply download it to your Apple Wallet. It's convenient. Avoid exchanging money at the airport for a better rate. Instead, use a 7-Eleven ATM in Japan or get your currency exchanged at home before you fly. For easy connectivity, get an AIRALO eSIM. It's a great way to stay connected without hunting for Wi-Fi. Use code SHAIJU1474 at sign up for a discount. With these tips, you're ready for a smooth, budget-savvy adventure in Japan. Safe travels and enjoy your trip. For more travel tips, like and follow my channel. Bye.